You need to hear this if you're considering a move to Chicago. Chicago, a vibrant metropolis on Lake Michigan, is renowned for its stunning architecture, world-class museums, and thriving culinary scene. The city pulsates with energy, offering a dynamic urban experience. Understanding the cost of living is essential for those considering calling Chicago home. Chicago's cost of living is generally more affordable compared to cities like New York City. This essay provides insights for those contemplating a move to this vibrant city. For a family of 4, monthly expenses without rent are around $4,702.60. This includes groceries, transportation, utilities, and entertainment. A single person spends about $93.70 monthly, excluding rent. Chicago is more budget-friendly than New York City. Living costs in Chicago are 26.7% lower than in New York. Rent is 45.5% cheaper in Chicago, offering more financial flexibility. Renters in Chicago have diverse options, from trendy lofts to spacious apartments. In the city center, a one-bedroom apartment averages $23.31 per month. On the outskirts, rent drops to $15.46 per month. This highlights the cost savings of living outside downtown. For home buyers, downtown apartments cost $312 per square foot. Outside the center, it's $251 per square foot. Weigh the benefits of central living against cost savings. While Chicago offers a vibrant urban experience, its surrounding suburbs provide an appealing alternative, particularly for families. The suburbs often boast lower housing costs, good schools, and a strong sense of community. However, commuting costs and time should be factored into the equation when considering a suburban lifestyle. Illinois has a relatively high tax burden impacting residents' overall financial well-being. Property taxes, state income tax, sales tax, and utility taxes all contribute to the cost of living in Chicago and its suburbs. Families, in particular, may find the financial benefits of suburban living, such as lower housing costs and potentially lower property taxes, outweigh the added commuting expenses. Ultimately, choosing between city living and suburban life involves carefully weighing individual and family needs, priorities, and financial situations. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a comment and subscribe. Also, hit that bell icon so you will get notifications every time we upload a new video.